welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. South Africa has been patiently waiting for the arrest of the former president Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma, which seems as if it have took place already. SUV's cars was seen leaving KwaDakwa-Dunuse eNkandla, taking Kranskop route, followed by the ambulance. It is believed that he was in one of those cars, handing himself to one of the correctional service facility. JG Zuma Foundation tweeted, "Dear South Africans and the world, please be advised that President Zuma has decided to comply with the incarceration order. He is on his way to hand himself into a correctional service facility in KZN. A full statement will be issued in due course." Guys, this is sad news indeed for South Africans, especially the supporters of the former president who has been singing "Akuliwe Makuliwe kulindwe bane" outside KwaDakwa-Dunuse. Guys, looking at the numbers of COVID-19 infections, I just wish this case can be put into hold, looking at the numbers of people who support the former president Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do you think Jacob Zuma was fairly or unfairly treated by the law of this country? Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.
Nothing wrong with this.